So if you're offended by blackheads, turn this off now. You're still here, and I'm Watson, and this is Blackhead, Blackhead, and more Blackheads. So what are blackheads? They are essentially open comedones, or pores that have been clogged by debris. Let's look at some examples. And look at this old blackhead. Let's hope they can clean it out. Here's another. Click like for this big blackhead. Why do you think everyone likes to talk about blackheads? And why does YouTube want to delete and suppress the videos? Leave a comment below. If you'd like to see more blackheads, follow us on Facebook. It's facebook.com/freakymedical. I'll put a link below. But while you're at it, click subscribe and the notification bell to get our updates on this channel.